Hi everyone, here we're going to be talking about pendulums and kinesiology. I'm using right now an amethyst pendant because I love the concept of spirituality. That's who I am. This is just a simple necklace that I wear constantly, and I can use it as a pendulum. What you need is something heavy on the bottom to do your balancing and your pendulum. So let me explain how we use it. First, we put our energy into our stones so they connect with us. The second dimensional energy that does connect with yourself. So now that I do that, I'm going to wrap it around my finger a couple times just to keep the chain from not falling off. And I'm not moving my arm. I'm going to be asking yes and no questions to this pendulum. And the first question you need to ask is, what is my yes? So what is my yes? And here we go. My yes is a vertical. Could also be counterclockwise and clockwise. All right, thank you. And then what is my no? And that's horizontal for me. Perfect. All right, thank you. And what is my maybe? That's right. Spiral. That's my maybe. All right, so now we're going to ask it a question. Now, you can ask any question you like as long as it's a yes or no answer because it cannot speak. So a question, just to show you guys, is my name Nancy? That's right. It's no. Okay, stop. Is my name Michal? That's right. My name is Michal. So as you can see, the pendulum is going vertical. It's going quite fast. In the beginning, it might actually not move as much, but the more that you engage with it and the more that it believes in you, that you believe in it, it will actually start to move much more. Another way to use kinesiology is really simple, and I like to use this when I'm around a lot of people and I don't want me to whip out my woo-woo pendulum. So it's just an okay symbol, and what you do is you make sure that the pointing finger and the thumb, you can't separate it. Okay, so you put a lot of pressure on it, a lot of pressure. Okay, and then you take your others and you ask it a question. Is my name Nancy? Of course it's going to go right through because my name is not Nancy. And is my name Michal? I can not move, budget. So these are simple things that you can use in your daily life to get more clarity or questions that you need. Another way that I've used in the past is you hold your hands like this and you ask it the question, is my name Nancy? Whoa, that's right. You'll lean back or lean forward if it's correct. Is my name Michal? Yes, my name is Michal. So I hope this information was helpful. Use it, practice it, enjoy it. It's a lot of fun, and you can actually make a little party out of it. I've done many parties using pendulums and asking really cool questions like, should I be dating this man, or should I marry, or shoulda, woulda. So enjoy, and thank you so much. And there's so much more information here on our pages, so feel free to linger in our website, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.